He's a specialist on everything that has to do with microphones. And right now we're going to talk about, well, he's going to talk about the tiniest, littlest microphone that exists in the world, which is this one.
Exactly. Countryman is an U.S. manufacturer that does the smallest microphones you can find. So the idea is that you can hide them anywhere you want. And so typically in theater, they like to put it in here, and you won't see it.
That's cool.
Or in film, Hollywood uses a lot of these. They're, I don't know in inches, but they're 2.5 millimeters, whoever knows what that means.
About an inch. Yeah, it's about an inch. Less than an inch, I would say.
Yeah, a lot less. So this is like a 16th of an inch, I think.
Okay.
So, yeah, basically the idea is that you don't want to see the microphone because if you're filming, you don't want to notice any technical stuff. You want to have just characters playing their thing.
Exactly.
And because they're so small, they're also being used by the police or other services where they need to hide microphones for, investigations, recordings, whatever. So, Countryman is the company that does this, and they are very good at small microphones. So, for instance, here they have a headset, the B6 in this case, and this is a lot of people like them because once you wear them, you don't notice them anymore. They're very light and comfortable, and they can move, and it's not going to fall. And it's very, very small, so even in television, the camera will usually not pick them up unless they get really close. So here you can see.
Yeah, because the color is nude, so it matches to your skin. That's why. I had it, I put it on yesterday. I was just playing around, and it really does what
The other way around.
Okay,
But you have glasses, so we
of course,
have
you
to
have to take them
we have
off.
to play around with it.
It's a little bit,
Yeah, you go.
and then you have to be careful. And then so you move
But we
them.
have them in different skin tones as well. So
Yeah, we have them darker, lighter, black, even green if you like, if you need them, right?
Yeah.
You can customize them, right? The
Something-
colors.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
There's some
Because
productions where they paint them and then they.
there you go.
That's Countryman.
Okay, that's the
Right.
brand. Okay, if you are interested in any of these products, I mean, I do want to sell them. He wants to sell them, but just so you're aware of this kind of gadgets, let's put it that way, they're not cheap. They're pretty expensive. This is technology. So just if you need anything like this, let us know. We're here.